Welcome to Gauzy's booth at CES. We're here showing our smart glass technology. This is liquid crystal based glass, and it changes its transparency and opacity to create privacy on demand. And this is great for smart homes. It's able to be put into front doors, windows. This is shown with a segmentation, so a typical straight lines, very traditional to your home. So we can go top to bottom, we can go bottom to top. Door opens and closes while it's in its different states. You can also change the glass when it's open and closed. And for all of the smart home systems out there, this is compatible with Lutron, Alexa. So we do the glass technology and we also do hardware. And Gauzy has certified partners in over 70 countries. So we are able to supply our glass technology almost anywhere that you go. Typical applications for homes, so like I said, front doors, windows, but also could be used in bathrooms, shower doors, home cinemas, wine coolers, partitions between different spaces. That's a little bit about our smart glass technology.